Does your video feel boring because it has no background sound? Adding music in CapCut Mobile is very simple. Open your project in CapCut Mobile. Look at the bottom menu and tap on Audio. Next, tap on Sounds to open the music library. You can search for music categories or browse popular tracks. Tap any track to hear a preview. Tap the blue plus icon to add the song to your timeline. Tap on the green audio layer below your video. Tap on Volume at the bottom. Lower the volume slider so your background music does not drown out your voice. Here is a pro tip that most people miss. Do not have a music file? Tap on Extracted in the audio menu. You can pull background audio from any video in your phone gallery in one single tap. Use the Fade option to make your audio end smoothly. Get CapCut Mobile for free using the link in the description. Subscribe for the next editing tutorial.